Today we are going to talk about the main characters in our story, Journey to the Center of the Earth. Today the first character we have Professor Lidenbrock. Yes. Can you tell something about yourself, Professor Lidenbrock?
Okay. I am Professor Lidenbrock. I am a famous scientist. I give lectures at University of Hamburg. All scientists came from all over the world to learn for me because I am a very good teacher.
Okay, thank you, Professor Lidenbrock. Then we have Axel, the professor's nephew. Yes, Axel. Can you tell us something about yourself?
Okay. I am Axel. I am Professor's nephew. I am his assistant.
Okay. Then we have Martha. Martha, can you tell us something about yourself?
I am Martha, a professor in school. I am always awake.
Okay, that's right. Then we have Snorri Sturlason, an Icelandic scientist in the 12th century. Snorri Sturlason, can you tell us something about yourself?
Martha.
You wrote the old book. Okay, when did you write the old book?
In the 12th
Century. Okay, thank you. Then we have Arne Saknussemm. Yes, Arne Saknussemm. Yes, say something about
I am
yourself.
Arne Saknussemm. I am writer, the parchment, and owner of the old book. I make the journey to center of the earth.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. You can stay in your place. Okay, then we are going to make a competition. Yes, sit down in your place. Sit down, thank you. Thank you. Clap your hands for your friends. We are going to make a competition between the first and the second group. Yes, Abdullah. Who won Arne Saknussemm? Yes, stand up.
He was the writer of the parchment. Who was the writer of the parchment?
Okay, is he right? Okay, clap your hands for him. Yes, yes, stand up. Why did the professor think that the parchment was written in Latin?
Because he found it in the old book.
He found in the old book and the writer
And
in the 16th century what? Okay, so now thank you. This means that yes, he didn't say a good answer. Okay, so it's not right. The third group, how did the professor know that the parchment was written in Latin? Who knows? How did the professor know that the parchment was written in Latin? Yes?
Because the professors of the 16th century were right about their discovery in Latin.
Okay, clap your hands for him. Then the competition is going to be between the first group and the third group. This group is out. Okay, we have another question. So think carefully. How did the professor know that the parchment was written by the owner of the book? Don't say me, just raise up your hand. This is a question for the first group. How did the professor know that the parchment was written by the owner of the book? Don't make like this. Yes, we have Yusuf. Listen to Yusuf.
Because it was the same handwriting.
Because the book and the parchment were not written in the same handwriting. That's right. Clap your hands for him. Here. Complete. The question is complete. The Professor Lidenbrock was so famous that complete. Professor Lidenbrock was so famous that Yes, Omar?
He gave lectures at University of Hamburg.
Okay, that's right. Clap your hands for him. Okay. This means that the two groups are equal. So I am going to give you a question in grammar. Okay? So look at the board here. Rewrite. Question 1. It's, wait please be quiet. It's his habit get up early. Use usually. Use usually. Yes, the first group. It is habit to get up early. Use usually. Yes?
He
He usually gets
up early.
up early. Excellent. Clap your hands for him. Another question for the second and third group. Although he was ill, he went to school. Although he was ill, he went to school. Use despite. Use despite. Although he was ill, he went to school. Use despite. Use despite. We have taken it yesterday, or the day before yesterday. Although بالرغم ان هو كان عيان, he went to school. He went to school. Use despite, and despite means بالرغم من. Despite means بالرغم من. Now you can share together. You can share, because if you didn't answer, you will lose the competition. Although he was ill, he went to school. Yes. Fine. Despite. Yes. Who can answer? Despite what? Yes, Omar, stand up. Wait. Listen to your friend.
Despite being
what?
he ill.
Being what? Being what?
Ill.
Ill. Yes.
He went
To school. Okay, clap your hands for Omar. Okay. This means that the two groups are equal. The both groups are equal. So clap your hands for yourselves.